I am Austin.
And I'm Ashlie.
And we're going to kind of do a recap on the hunt from last week when Ashlie killed her big old muzzleloader buck.
Heck yeah.
What are we doing today?
Gonna go kill buck.
I pull up the binoculars and look, and I see this just big old buck.
We're going after the big one.
Keep in mind, this is her first day ever hunting deer with her shooting. Ever.
Yep.
Yeah. And so I just told her, I was like, shoot the one with the head behind the tree. I was like, just the one with the head behind the tree. She's
Like, I hope I'm aiming at the right one.
So boom! That sucker drops. Babe, what just happened?
Oh my gosh, I just killed a freaking huge buck. Yeah.
Well, I guess 6 mile hike paid off. I kept seeing it bedded and I was like, it was bedded. It was bedded right down here in the bottom, right down here for like the whole freaking time.
I got a couple of pictures of him.
We had him at 170 yards and I was like, man, she could just aim high and shoot it, right? And then I was like,
Just
no,
get up on it.
we better keep going. I think that is one of the biggest bucks I've ever seen in my entire life. It is probably the heaviest buck I've ever seen. He is heavy.
Well, next year I might be dedicated.
Well, that's what I was telling her. Freak, we're doing this again.
Because this is the third giant buck I've seen.
Well, so she really hasn't seen the antlers. His head was behind the tree when she shot.
Yeah, I literally could not, so I don't even know what you're talking about.
Yeah, she has no idea how big he is. That is the biggest buck I've ever seen get knocked down. That's the biggest buck I've ever seen, period. Holy shiz, babe. Holy crap! You see that sucker? Holy crap. Yeah! Woo! Holy crap! Oh, he is dead as a freaking doorknob.
Oh, where did I shoot him?
Look at that! That is why we do it.
Oh my gosh.
How far do you think we hiked, Paul? I said about 6 miles.
We hiked just far enough.
Oh my god.
Holy. I guarantee you hit him perfect. He didn't even move. Get up there and smile.
Does not seem real.
Look at that sucker. Freaking
Oh.
black horns too. Look at that.
This is crazy.
What do you think, babe?
I'm so happy right now.
How do you feel about hunting now?
I love it.